I was asked by Alan Staley from Alan Staley Building Contractors to look at the boilers at Melbourne Hall. The boilers have been playing up and they wanted a report on the condition of the boilers. I attended site, had a look at the boilers, recommended that they should be replaced. We were asked to do a design and a scheme. The scheme was approved and we were given the order to replace the boilers. Because of the onset of winter, it was decided that the boilers should be replaced before winter. We were given a period of 4 days in which to get the boilers replaced. The boilers we decided to install are the ideal Evomax boilers. One of the reasons being is that they are a frame-mounted boiler. This is a below-ground boiler house, difficult situation to install traditional type boilers in. The fact that they are cascade boilers on frames makes them very easy to install, and the low weight of the boilers means that they're very easy to get into position. We've worked with Ideal Commercial Boilers now for over 30 years. We find them to be a very good company, they're very helpful. We have a situation where they will actually come into our offices and help us design if we require it. We can send our engineers to Ideal to be trained on the installation, maintenance and commissioning of the boilers. It means we can pre-commission the boiler installations before Ideal come in to do the final commissioning. I would recommend Ideal Commercial Boilers to any installer. We find them to be a very good boiler, very good company. We would highly recommend them.